Vendors are gonna send.
Go! Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirt Nation Off-Road. So today, we're at a TDS 2021. Now, TDS, the last couple years, we've been here. It's been lit. Last year was particularly really fun because it was right before all the COVID-19 shutdowns and quarantine and all that stuff. That was like the last hurrah, and everybody went and had fun and everything like that. Well, here we are a year later, and it's still like kind of quarantine things going on and all that. So TDS was actually technically canceled, but all of us, absolutely all of us, you guys will see, decided, hey, we're still going to come out, we're still going to have a good time, even if they're not having the actual Tierra del Sol event. We're already set up with camp and everything. We got a big old group chilling over here. We'll get an official count number and everything like that, but as always, Mr. Giorgito's here, and he's going to do his thing.
All right, so like I said, TDS, the safari run actually did get canceled, but we're still here. TDS is still going on. Everybody's still out here. As for COVID, I mean, it's kind of like Texas out here. You wear it when you're in the gas station, and that's it. Everybody else is kind of just, you know, make sure you're not sick, clean your hands often, and all that good stuff. Big group came out today. We pulled up at Morongo Casino to have our pre-meet, and there was already like 20 trucks there, so it was solid to see a bunch of new guys too, so that's really awesome. I'm gonna walk by and show you guys all the other trucks, everybody else that's here. Some you've seen, some you haven't, and yeah, we're gonna get started. All right, so we got Mel out there. So we got Filthy here. Damn, this thing is fresh. So I've seen this on Instagram plenty of times, but now to see it in real person or in life and right up close and personal, shit smokes. And then obviously Batman's here, the thickest. Chivada's here, a bunch of new guys, Joey, Adam, I mean, you name it. Almost everybody came out. We're waiting on a few more, and then we're gonna go a 4x4 training course and then go to the waterfall. So far so good. Sergio's here. Look at Herb's here. He bought a bike. Alex is here. Anyways, we're gonna finish airing down, and then we're gonna go to the training course, and we'll start the show there. See you guys shortly.
Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you
spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone.
You're good right there.
Another rim gone. You're good, you're good. No worries. Yeah! That's how you represent! Woo!
Fuck yeah, man. Fuck yeah.
All right, now we're headed out to Devil's Slide. Hey, just saw Nick and I forgot that other dude's name, the big ass K5. Everybody's got big K5s, but we got a big old group today. We played at the 4x4 course a little bit, but we're gonna skip on that for now. We'll come back at nighttime or something.
Is that a broken rig towing a good rig? So the broken one is hauling the broken one? No, the broken one was towing a good looking one.
Or was the good one pushing the bad one?
That's a pushing rope.
All right, here it is. We just pulled up the Devil's Slide. Look at our man Alex is going first, but that's the small little hill climb, and then you got this big hicker right here. Only Themos made it so far. Back in the red Jeep, long time ago, long time ago. But let's get it, boys. Fuck yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! It's going! It's going! He hasn't done it. Fuck yeah! Hey, this fucking guy! Yeah, you gotta do all hands and knees, bro. Earn it. You gotta earn it.
Made it.
How you doing, man?
Don't fall, right?
Here we go. Oh, my man. What happened? Oh, no way. No way. Well, he made it. What was that? Shift it. Don't shift. All right. I mean, progress is progress. That's not wrong. Fernando! Guess who's back? Back again. God, he's going right up that shit. That's what's up. That's what's up. Are you serious? No mama's way. No fucking way. Yeah. Dude. There it goes. That's a little better. See, shifts, done. As soon as it shifts. There it is. That's where Jaime made it.
Let's go, boy. Back that ass up all the way. All right, let's go, boy.
And he's digging holes.
Almost there.
So close, but so far. If you don't know, it comes up right here, and it steps up, and then it steps up more. Now, steps up right here, step, and then it just keeps stepping. It's just like stairs when you go up.
Let's go, George. That's George number 1. That's George number 2. George 1 is gonna give it a shot. Come on. Give it all. That's a quiet as a good. Let's go.
My man's here is sending it to the moon.
He's gonna try it again? Is that what I heard?
No, it's gonna be the first time.
Oh, first time. Okay.
First time.
First shot.
The first time was a test run. Rough draft. That was a rough draft. Look at, he's turning all the shits. All the shits are going on. Dang, here we go. Oh, let's go! Damn! Savage! Woo! All right, it's Devil Slide. That's how it be.
Damn, brand new trail boss. Let's get it. Hell yeah, that's what's up. Woo! Woo! Filthy out here, getting filthy. Hell yeah. Woo! Get you some tank. Oh, buddy. Hell yeah. Tuning it up. Ooh, oh no! No! Oh, there it goes. Yeah. I'm not tired of the sound, dude. It sounds so sick. Woo! Shit. Stop it. That's what I'm talking about. Woo, second try. There you go.
All right, so we're all done at Devil's Slide. We're gonna head back to camp. We're gonna have some lunch, and then we'll check in later when we either go back to the 4x4 course or we go do the waterfall. I don't know. We got a bunch of things we can do, but stay tuned. We'll be back.
A few moments later.
Say, bro, you did it.
Hey,
you did it, and I did it.
I sacrificed the window, but I beat a Jeep and a Power Wagon. How many can say that with the Raptor? Where's the TRX now?
All right, TDS has officially begun. The wind is here. The sandblasting is getting started. Yeah, light me up, light me up. We're reporting here live from Tierra Del Sol 2021. The event essentially canceled, but essentially not canceled. We're here with the wind. And not Rob. Rob isn't the wind. The wind is the wind. Keep shining me up. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Sorry.
So I'm definitely not this white. I'm a little less white.
He's a little more red than white. Lobster gang.
Who's out here throwing gang signs? What the hell? Feeny throwing gang signs. We're having a good time. We're lit. Straight up like that. Little drive. Little drive. Drive. There we go. Keep it driving.
There we go. Let's go, George.
I'm gonna get out of your way. Right there. Wiggle it.
Oh, we got her. Hold on, we got her. I need a comment before you go on the sluice.
Hey, you're full ships now, right?
Oh, dog.
Fix that locker.
Yeah.
Did you fix your locker?
Yes, I did.
Front and rear lock?
This is the first time I'm gonna try it out.
Triple lock?
Triple lock, baby. Let's
Woo,
get it.
let's get it.
Hey, Rob, get that back down.
He's good. Damn, Irv! Show what's up, boy!
Third fucking walk.
Woo!
That's my man. Right there.
Hold on, we gotta get Knuckles. Knuckles! Knuckles! Woo!
I can feel the weight of that thing. It's so fucking heavy.
La seño. Seño, no pasa nada. Momentum, bro! Momentum! Go! Keep going! Attaboy. Go slow! No, keep going! Attaboy! There we go, the star of the show. Allegedly. Allegedly. Watch, he's looking for the line. He's looking for the line. Yeah, boy! right.
Hey, let it sit. As soon as it sits, you have to send it a little bit so it touches.
All right. Look at Coach. Woo. Well, we got double spotters. You should be able to walk it. Give them those rock lights.
Right there till you hit it. Go, go, go. Go. Fuck yeah! My man!
People just walked it like it was nothing. Mochis, where you at, bro?
Nah, this is a bath robber. Hands up. That's the way they come through.
There you go. There it is.
That's the worst one.
Oh, you got it.
Hey, watch out, big ass rock right there. Good job, Dustin, good job.
Okay, never mind. That was optional.
No pressure, all right?
This is my fourth time, no pressure.
What's the best way for my fat ass to get up there?
It's pretty interesting. When we were here 2 years ago, we came by the waterfall and there was like millions of lights. A lot less now. Obviously a smaller event being the canceled TDS version. But it's all right. We're still sending you.
Get the team! Get the team! Lock it up there.
There it is, fucking slim, let's go!
La flecha, dog. It's right there. It's fucking gone.
Yeah, it's called the fucking short travel, not the long travel.
I know.
Right.
Just like that. You gonna crawl here? Already dragging? No fucking way! No fucking way! God damn it! Dude, you were right there! No, 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 no. You slid. Woo! Don't be scared to step on the gas. That's all that electronic shit. It cuts power. All right, so we're all wrapped up with the waterfall. We are making our way back to camp. We're going to have some dinner. We're going to party a little bit. We're going to do all that fun stuff that we do when we camp. And we'll most likely check in tomorrow. So. Hello and good morning. Sunday. Everyone's already getting packed up, ready to go, but we're gonna do a little bit of obstacles course stuff and you know, you know, we got to try the tires. We got to mess around at them. Didn't really spend too much time there yesterday. A couple of the guys did, but me and George, then we got Adam in the back. We're going to get these tires knocked out. We're going to have a good time with it. We're going to go from there.
Good right there, keep going. Driver. Right there. A little driver, a little bit driver. Right there.
Grab right here and maybe right there. Yeah, back up driver.
Nah, he's gonna break it, don't do it. Look at him doing it.
Hey, that's a beautiful looking wide bitch up there. Should I hit it when I pull up?
Hit it from the back.
It's in the back, it's all right?
Hit it from the back, yeah. She likes it.
What's up?
Right here's gas. Gas.
Oh, not that much gas.
Hey, you said gas. To be fair.
No turbo. Right there. Last week. Back up.
Through the gate.
Lift up.
Through the gate.
Back up, passenger. You're almost there, dog.
Hey, you're kind of stuck.
Okay, you're almost there. Come up. That way. Keep going that way. Alright, we're gonna have to save this because we can get up. Right there, hold it. There you go, stop. Oh! You're not done yet.
Yeah, you're not done. You're about to take this whole fucking monster truck tire with you.
Right there. I give you momentum with. But once you crawl, once you feel your back lift right here, this first bump, you can ease off. Okay. Come on. No, not fast either. Just let it move.
Woo! He says stop when it lifts.
Robert!
Wait, look at
Tire
his
gang!
dude. Look at his bumper. That shit's bent up. Straighten out. So little this way. So you stay on that tire. All right, come up. Let it bite right here. Bring it up, bring it up. You're gonna hit this side first. Actually, both are connecting right now. That way, that way. Back, bring it back, bring it back. There it goes, you're good. Keep coming. Straighten out just a tad bit. Yeah, right there. Little passenger. Passenger. So this one crawls. Ah, you're good. Fuck yeah. Suba. Un poquito más. Little man. Atrás, dale. Sube. Dale. Hey, one more time. Back up para allá. No, keep going. He would have made it. You would have made it. Yeah! That's how you party. That's party mode. That's how you fucking party. Oh. There you go. That was dope.
All right, squad, so that's a wrap here at TDS. Dustin's gonna close you guys out, but I just want to say thank you for sticking around. Gladiator did really well. Tires, all the other, pretty much everything but the waterfall we were able to line up, knock out. We're gonna come back for that waterfall once I figure out the issue with the whole, it dies out on me once I give it power. So if any of you guys have any comments about something I could do there, comment below, let us know. Adam came, he partied. We had the Tacoma here to the left. Our man over there partied. We all partied. So it was a good time. TDS this time around was a little bit different. Not as packed. Still busy, just not as packed. And we had a little bit more positivity when it came to the weather. We only had a wind for like 2 hours and then everything else was fine. So on that note, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Dustin's gonna close you guys out. And we love you.
Who does?
Turtle Gang!
Turtle Gang!
Wait. Oh yeah, it's coming. All right, now go. Come back and then go driver. How much? You gave it some juice going up?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you had to give it some juice. I didn't get it though, but let's get you in the intro. Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! Yes! Yes! Oh shoot! All right, so we're all wrapped up here at the 4x4 course. Hit a couple obstacles, did some fun stuff, did some burnouts and jumping, you know, YJs on tubes and all that stuff. A lot of fun this morning. We're gonna get all wrapped up. We're airing up right now, and then we're gonna head back to camp, pack our stuff, and we're gonna get the hell out of here because we're all tired and we're all beat. but we're good to go. Definitely a very successful TDS 2021. It was a little different this year. We didn't have that much wind, and you know, there's a lot less people here because they did like make the virtual online TDS event, but either way, we came out, we had a good time. Big shout out to everybody that came out with us. Had a huge group today, met a lot of great new people. We love having new people out with us, so if you guys are interested, look, when we post open events, come out, come have a good time. We don't bite, we like having new people, we like meeting new people and having that variety and all that good stuff. But we're all done here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You can also hit us up for shirts, hats, hoodies, and all those other goodies at dirtnationoffroad@gmail.com. But thank you guys. We'll see you again next time.